In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move emails to folders in Microsoft Outlook. Keeping your inbox organized makes it easier to find what you need and stay focused, and moving messages into folders is the simplest way to do that. We'll walk through selecting your emails and then placing them exactly where they belong using two reliable methods. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook and navigating to your inbox, or to whatever folder currently holds the emails you want to organize. Take a moment to look at the layout. Your folders are listed in the pane on the left, your messages appear in the center, and the reading area is on the right if you have it enabled. Make sure the destination folder you want to use is visible in that left-hand pane, so you can easily move messages there. Next, select the emails you want to move. If it's just one message, click it once to highlight it. If you need to choose several specific emails, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac, and click each email you want to include. If you're clearing out everything in the current view, use Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac to select all emails at once. You'll see the selected messages highlighted, confirming they're ready to go. Now, here's the first way to move them.